Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you making of terracotta wall hanging. For this I took Airdry clay and conditioned it. Using a rolling pin, roll out the clay. Now cut the clay into desired shape and size. Remove the excess clay. Smooth the edges with the help of water. Using sharp objects, make holes. Let it dry for 2 to 3 days. After it is completely dry, start painting. For making tassels, take a silk thread and a visiting card and roll the thread around the visiting card for at least 100 times. Cut the threads from one corner. Apply glue for one of the corner so that it will be easy to pass the thread from the hole. Take an extra thread and tie a knot. Roll the excess thread around the tassel. Again, knot the thread. Repeat the same process with different colors. If the tassel is disordered, take a little bit of water and wet them as shown. Cut the ends of tassel to make it look even. Take a black cord, fold it into half and pass the hole. Make a knot as shown. Cut the extra cord. Our terracotta wall hanging is ready.